Are you ready for a journey into the future? A future where technology is changing the world as we know it. A future where artificial intelligence is the driving force behind this change. Welcome to this video, where we will be exploring the latest developments in AI and what they mean for our world. Get ready to discover how AI is transforming the way we live, work, and think. In the next few minutes, you'll learn about the potential and challenges of AI and how it will shape the future of our world. So, sit back, relax, and buckle up for a wild ride into the future of AI. What is AI and its current state? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that is changing the way we interact with technology. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Today, AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance, and from manufacturing to retail. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to analyze large amounts of patient data to improve diagnosis and treatment. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and minimize risk. And in manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes and improve quality control. The current state of AI can be described as rapidly advancing, but it's still in its infancy. While AI systems have made great strides in recent years, there is still a long way to go before they can fully replicate human intelligence. Despite this, the potential of AI is enormous, and its impact on our world is already being felt. As AI continues to evolve, it is important to stay informed and involved in the conversation about its future. In this video, we will explore the latest developments in AI and what they mean for our world. AI applications and their benefits. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its versatility and the wide range of applications it has across different industries. From improving customer service to increasing efficiency, AI has the potential to transform the way we live and work. In the field of customer service, AI is being used to provide personalized and efficient support to customers. AI chatbots, for example, can quickly respond to customer queries and provide accurate information, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. In the field of finance, AI is being used to analyze large amounts of data and make investment decisions, resulting in improved returns and reduced risk. In the field of manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes, improve quality control, and reduce waste. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to automate tasks, freeing up time for humans to focus on more strategic and creative work. By automating routine and repetitive tasks, AI can increase efficiency, improve accuracy, and reduce the risk of human error. In addition to these benefits, AI has the potential to drive economic growth, create new jobs, and improve the standard of living for people around the world. As AI continues to evolve, it is important to consider its impact on society and work to ensure that its benefits are distributed fairly and equitably. With all that in mind, let's delve into the next topic and explore the exciting possibilities of AI even further. Let's explore the future of AI. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for its future are truly endless. In the coming years, we can expect to see even more advanced applications of AI, including the development of highly advanced AI systems that can perform a wide range of tasks. One of the key areas of focus for AI development is the creation of systems that can think and learn like humans. This would involve building AI systems that have the ability to understand humans and become like them. Another area of focus for AI development is the creation of systems that can interact with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. This could involve developing AI systems that can understand human emotions and respond accordingly, or creating AI systems that can learn from human interactions and improve their performance over time. The future of AI also holds the biggest potential for the development of new technologies that can help some of the world's biggest challenges, such as climate change and disease. For example, AI systems could be used to analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that could help predict the spread of diseases. In the future, AI has the potential to change the way we live and work, and it will play an increasingly important role in shaping our world. It is important that we continue to explore the potential of AI and work to ensure that its benefits are distributed fairly. Making money with AI. Artificial intelligence is not only transforming the way we live and work, but also opening up new opportunities for businesses and entrepreneurs to make money. In this section, we look at how you can leverage AI to generate income and grow your business. Starting with a case study of ChatGPT, the language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including content creation, customer support, and lead generation. For example, businesses can use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions, answer customer questions, and identify potential sales leads. These tasks can be automated, freeing up valuable time and resources for businesses. But ChatGPT is not just a time saver, it can also be a source of revenue. By offering ChatGPT-powered services to your customers, you can monetize your AI skills and expertise, and provide valuable solutions to the businesses and individuals you work with. As AI continues to evolve and become more prevalent, there is a growing demand for AI-powered solutions and services. By tapping into this demand, businesses and entrepreneurs can create new revenue streams and grow their businesses, while also contributing to the growth and development of the AI industry. So, whether you're an AI enthusiast, entrepreneur, or small business owner, there is a wealth of opportunities to make money with AI. And the ChatGPT is a great place to start. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered so much ground in today's video, from understanding what AI is, to exploring its current state, to checking out its countless applications, and even diving into the future of this exciting technology. I hope you had as much fun watching this as I had making it. Remember, AI is not just the future, it's happening right now. So get out there and start playing with it. Who knows, you might even find a way to make some money. But hey, until that time comes, stay curious and keep learning. Goodbye.